Given your industry background, let's start with, industry overview and what is it about this new tech, AI, machine learning, natural language processing, motivating the industry as we think about making things simple and efficient?
Yeah, Zara, it's a great question, and it's an interesting time we're in because actually machine learning and medical devices has been around for a quarter century, and I saw a figure that about 600 pieces of technology in the medical device space have some form of machine learning, or what we now are referring to as AI in them. Now these are more closed loop systems, but we're talking about using machine learning and to read scans and to make help in the aid of diagnosis. But clearly, we are in another phase of this era where we're seeing new, I think, a new imagining of how you can use technology like this to improve, on the highest level, to improve the patient experience, right? To improve outcomes and to make a healthier people. But it does, raises a tremendous amount of questions. And, I think as an industry, we're balancing the need with, we're balancing the desire to say, hey, we understand this stuff, we know what we're doing, and also kind of make sure that, we're not, we're leaving enough runway here so that we can iterate responsibly. The medical device industry in the end is extremely highly regulated, as you know, and everything that we do, we have to keep in mind that we have to work hand in hand with the FDA to make sure this technology is used responsibly. I think there's a tremendous amount of potential, though, in the incremental improvements and the cost to bring medical devices to market. The time to bring medical devices to market is lengthy and expensive, and there are, some of the studies says about 75% of the cost of bringing a medical device to market is satisfying requirements of the FDA. So I look at these technologies as an opportunity to potentially shorten some of those timelines where we can, to optimize the timeline. But we're definitely in a new era. But I think we have a lot to share about how it's been used in the past. But it feels new and it feels fresh, and obviously, the capital markets are here. They're interested in AI. Our investors, every investor pitch you hear now has to sort of highlight that there's an AI component to your device. It's a new iteration on a story that we've been telling for a while, I think, about how data and medical devices are going to interact with each other.